a blood clot do, then can't stop we. Yeah? Yeah? Talk now blood clot gonna make them go away and go suck them mother because we have bomber clot work to do.
Who trouble the natty? Why the natty behave like that? Jaja, last night I was having some donuts and somebody commented that's unhealthy. So tonight I'm gonna have some aqua. However, I'm gonna run the video different tonight. I am going to fill my mouth with water and try not to laugh. And of course, it's gonna be a challenge. Because I go watch Peanut Dread videos. Yeah. Hey, Aqua, when the video reach 1 million views, I'm not gonna sponsor me. Anyways, the only way we can reach 1 million views is if you guys like the video for me. So just like the video. From you see the video, just like it.
Anyhow, disobedient spirit attack you, sir. How you did you say, don't come near.
Yeah.
Get away.
Just
And
cool,
don't pan you.
What,
yeah?
That time you kill you.
And if you don't say, plate your pussy clot.
Yeah.
Yeah?
True.
Said like how you're talking,
True.
feel you with
Touch me,
flicking
man.
bomber
True,
clot
true,
same way.
man.
Yeah?
True, man.
So a self-defense word.
Yes,
You hear me,
man.
brethren?
Yes, man.
That's why they must say a bad word. And hear how these words now, we call originate. You see?
Yes.
The man and the woman them usually work out a field in a slavery day. This is a,
Yes.
and the woman them never have no CFX.
They never.
No CFX in
stay
them time there.
free,
Stay free and a
whatever,
cloth
yeah.
then take and tie up them periods,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Sometimes them put it down careless and make it
Yeah.
the slave them see it.
Yes.
The man slave them see it.
Yes.
And the man slave them not like see it.
Yes, true.
So in cuss them say,
tell them,
move your
move.
pussy cloth from there so.
Yeah.
Yeah?
True, true.
When you know say move your pussy
hear
cloth,
that?
then call under your ass and
Yes.
say, move your ass
Yes.
cloth from there so. I don't like
Well. That never last one video. Now wanna hear the origin of the clots. Women, wanna really cause the clot epidemic at Jamaica. Yeah, man, according to Peanut Dread, but whether true or fiction, it makes sense. It sound real, it sound like a true, it sound like a fox. But you know, me dey have to laugh, brother. Me couldn't get wet up myself again. Can't bother wet up myself again. You know start. Anyways, R clot, B clot, as in one of my previous videos, we say, and about with them. F, and yeah, about word. And PUSSY, it depends on how we are using, because PUSSY is the name of a cat. That's what I was told when me I go to basic school. Yeah, me old. Because a kindergarten on the call now, yeah. Anyways, moving forward, me I chat too much.
Man, kiss me blood clot, me create my one job and create my one payday. Me not have no boss, any boss me, any done me, any government me. Me not giving no blood clot, man. We have 2 and 2 foot like myself title over me. Fuck you.
Who get the Rasta angry? Somebody got the Rasta cross and miserable and darker than before. Man say, yo, nobody will have 2 hands like him I put over him. Well, hey, Peanut Dread, I agree with you. We are all human, just like you say, yo, you're not Rasta, you're a man like everybody else. Hey, your opinion. Moving forward.
when me look at my when me do that, so me have to say nothing. Boy, a man is a man, boy.
Tell you.
Yes, man. The blood clot, the boy, a man, my brother. Any man come in here, if he say, boy, Ras, we don't want to look at video, you know. I'm not saying him, I don't need no partner.
Yeah.
No, not a rascal. Hey, you see anything, I must for me,
yes, sir.
Not for we, you're
Yeah.
brethren.
Yeah.
I mean, no way we cause, you know. I mean, I want that here. Yes. So anything we are going to name for we, and anytime me and you can agree, me know you will want to kill me, and me want to kill you. I mean, I so make everything name
For me.
Me.
Say what you want to say about Peanut Dread, but Peanut Dread make a lot of sense. Anytime you do business or anything with somebody, trust me, there's expect some form of disagreement, and then that work wanna do together, it gonna be split. Yeah, man. So sometimes there's a teamwork make the dream work, which is true, but sometimes all you need is yourself. That's the only team you need. No conflict of interest, no conflict whatsoever, no splitting up. Peanut Dread, no I must say. Anyways, why me always asking if you like the video is because engagement. The more you like, if you like the video, YouTube will recommend it to somebody else. And YouTube will beat me bad, me not gonna lie, with the long form videos. The shorts, everybody I watch and enjoy them, but the long form, they not gonna know way. So just like this video, leave a comment. Moving forward, you know what? Let me try it again. Full me mouth of water and try not to laugh.
Me hardly grow no yard, you know, right? I 1 month straight, me no yam no cook food in a rasta, right? Me say me go under the cellar, go sleep one at the time, rain a fall and me wet up, and me hide go under the cellar. I want have come under there, and did they blow around me foot a blow and just throw me fast asleep. Jesus God, me say ram a bite na me rascal foot. Me say when I jump up, love, when I jump up, you know, he run to rascal, call him frightened, they can't believe me they dead, you know. Find the I go run me foot long, you know, before he bite it, you know, and he see me no move. Can check more or less. Me say they have jam a bite to me say, God Almighty, I've got you some things. Me hardly grow no yard, you know, right?
Are you a make the trouble?
Not me. Top class tea. No bring me in a it. Are the first me hear them the argument, I know. So wanna be careful.
What a wicked hat, my brother,
I
man.
don't want a guy come drop out when me I say I'm a wind me up.
Oh, God Almighty.
Me never plan the thief.
You is the wrong door.
Go suck yourself and go away.
Move your rascal from this house.
Yeah, fuck up.
Are you a make the trouble?
You don't smell shoot him.
Don't come near.
Yeah.
Get away.
You say you're a Rasta. Don't follow me up.
Move your blood clot.
You know, so you're very difficult.
You fucker, you know you know about it.
Yo, you go try this challenge with somebody else. It can't be Peanut Dread or Badacat or Ninja Man. Me have to go, I don't know. Me have to go try with somebody else or bring somebody else in my car and make them do it. Hey, but the mix them from what they them bad man. Now they have Peanut Dread and Johnny. Last night it was Peanut Dread and Badacat. They wanna bad. I swear. We didn't even do whatever chat about, but boy, out of my belly. We feel it in my belly, the laugh there. Moving forward.
You see money, they say no. Roots of all blood clot evil. All things is vanity and vexation and spirit. They say lay not your heart upon vanity. Yeah? One man I warn you. Because you get 10 blood clot $1 million where you never see yet in your life. And you put it at a spot. And when you wake the morning, if it turn a top or bottom to bumbo ass clot, you don't know. It lick your nerve, you know, boy. It lick your bumbo clot nerve, you know that. Me tell you, man, hey, you're not going to bear it out. Lord, my God. That's what vanity give you, my virgin. That's what vanity blood clot give you.
Call him dark. Call him ignorant rather. Call him aggressive. But Peanut Dread make a lot of goddamn sense. Yeah, man. Just imagine 10 grand US or, say for example, no, 100,000 US, 10 million Jamaican, probably 8,000 pounds. Go missing something we're not used to. Go missing your wake up. Yo, that lick it, that chip your man, chip your head, man. Just, what? I'd go nuts. I'd go crazy. No, I know, 80,000 pounds, yeah. Damn, just imagine losing that. Anyways, I move forward, I drink your water. I not put it in my mouth again, I spit you out for sure.
Peanut man get that big bag, yeah, man. Bumbo clock. I wonder why in there.
And a wine there where peanut are put in there. Right now the bag there is so big. Probably in the peanut dread live. Don't show peanut this up. Peanut come for me, so me I try this him. But the bag big enough it can hold peanut. Right now peanut dread, the bag so big look like it can hold peanut dread house, land, car, and he look a scooter bike when he ride round town. Talk truth. The bag big man. Big old bag. Right now it can hold everything when me have in my life. In my bag too big. Yeah man. What wait there. I last video already? Alright then. Me not watching me hopefully it's funny. Cause I'll be disappointed after all these funny videos and the last video not funny. I play so active tonight. Somebody walk there in dog. They don't want bother cats to them. It's 11:42 in the night. And somebody walk there in dog. Eh? And people love the impact talk.
Rasta, me want show you something.
Yeah.
You see the way how me attire myself
Yeah.
and go through. All people mind say me not getting nothing. They are, and they want to know my business. Everywhere me go. All their intention is to investigate me and advise me.
Peanut Dread the people just want in business, so they just want to investigate him and advise him. And he don't want no investigation into him business, and he don't want no advice from honest. So when you see Peanut Dread in the streets, leave Peanut Dread alone. All he wanting to do is buy the peanuts and supporting channel by liking and watching his videos, which is called Peanut Dread Official, me believe. I'll leave a link down below. And although we've come to the end of another video, I'm hoping you guys enjoyed that. I surely did enjoy it. I couldn't keep the water in my mouth. As you can see, I had to spit it out. I spat it out twice. Now I'm asking you guys a huge favor. Just like the video. As I told you, by liking the video, you're helping me grow the channel. And leave a comment that help grow the channel as well. Of course, by sharing it, that help grow the channel.